Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best all-purpose cleaners for car interiors that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Armor All Heavy-Duty Multi-Purpose Cleaner. This budget-friendly option comes in at just $6.74. But don't let the price fool you. It packs a punch. Designed to cut through grease, dirt, and oil, it's perfect for tackling the messiest of car interiors. It's versatile enough for use on plastics, vinyl, and metals. So whether you're cleaning dashboards, door panels, or even small engine parts, this cleaner has you covered. In terms of design, the 24-ounce spray bottle is practical and easy to use, delivering an even mist for efficient cleaning. However, it's unscented, which may appeal to those who prefer no lingering fragrances, but might be a downside for those looking for a fresh scent. When it comes to performance, the Armor All Cleaner works best on light to moderate stains and grime, but may require multiple applications for tougher messes. It's a great option for quick cleanups or regular maintenance. The biggest advantage here is affordability. It's hard to beat at this price point. However, it does lack some of the advanced features, like UV protection or multi-surface compatibility, found in higher-end products. This makes it a solid choice for someone on a budget or those who need a basic cleaner for occasional use. Coming in at number 4 is the Turtle Wax 53787 Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Graphene Inside Job. Priced at $9.99, this cleaner not only cleans but also conditions, deodorizes, and provides UV protection all in one. It's infused with ceramic and graphene technology, which adds a layer of protection to your car's interior, keeping it cleaner for longer. This all-in-one formula works on leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and more, making it a versatile option for comprehensive interior care. The 16-ounce spray bottle is compact and easy to handle, making application a breeze. The product also features a delightful tropical scent, which adds a refreshing touch to your cleaning routine. Performance-wise, the Turtle Wax Cleaner excels at removing dirt and grease while leaving surfaces with a smooth, non-greasy finish. The odor trapping technology is particularly effective, leaving your car smelling fresh and clean. However, it's worth noting that the smaller bottle size may not last as long if you're cleaning larger vehicles or using it frequently. This cleaner offers fantastic value for its price, especially with its multifunctional capabilities. It's ideal for those who want an all-in-one product to clean and protect their car interiors. On the downside, its performance on heavily stained surfaces might require repeated applications. Overall, it's a fantastic mid-range option with plenty of added benefits. At number 3, we have the 3D All-Purpose Cleaner. This high-performance cleaner is sold in a 1-gallon size, making it an excellent choice for those who need to clean multiple vehicles or perform frequent deep cleanings. It's engineered with high-grade ingredients to tackle dirt, grease, oil, and grime on a variety of surfaces, including vinyl, leather, plastic, fabric, and carpet. What sets this product apart is its ability to neutralize odors at the source. Thanks to powerful enzymes that don't just mask smells, they eliminate them entirely. The large 1-gallon container is designed for value and flexibility. You can use it straight for heavy-duty cleaning or dilute it for lighter tasks, making it adaptable to a range of cleaning needs. Performance-wise, this cleaner excels at both interior and exterior applications, from dashboards to door panels to even engine bays. It's biodegradable and non-toxic, which means it's safe for both you and your car's materials, aligning with the brand's commitment to green technology. The 3D All-Purpose Cleaner is ideal for professionals and car enthusiasts who need a versatile, eco-friendly cleaner in bulk. However, the lack of an included spray bottle means you'll need to purchase one separately, which could be an inconvenience for some users. While its price is unavailable at the time of this review, the product's gallon size suggests it offers great value for those in need of a long-lasting cleaning solution. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Car Guys Super Cleaner. Priced at $19.99, this product brings a lot to the table. boasting advanced nanotechnology that lifts dirt and grime at the molecular level. It's marketed as the king of all cleaners, and for good reason. This multi-surface cleaner works on a wide range of materials, including leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, fabric, and even wood trim, making it one of the most versatile options on the market. The 18-ounce kit comes with a microfiber towel, adding extra value to your purchase. The formula is easy to apply. Just spray and wipe for a clean, residue-free finish. That being said, it's not recommended for glass or delicate instrument panel screens, so you'll need an additional product for those areas. In terms of performance, the Car Guys Super Cleaner excels at removing stubborn stains and restoring surfaces to their original look without leaving any greasy residue. This cleaner stands out for its combination of cutting-edge technology and ease of use. However, at nearly $20, it's on the pricier side for an 18-ounce bottle. It's perfect for car owners who want a reliable, high-quality product that can handle a variety of interior cleaning tasks. The added customer support from Car Guys also gives peace of mind, making it a solid investment for your vehicle. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Priced at $23.94, this premium product is worth every penny. It's a true all-in-one cleaner that works on virtually every interior surface, including leather, vinyl, plastic, carpet, cloth, glass, and wood. The 32-ounce bottle offers great value for its size, and its versatility means you won't need multiple products to care for your car's interior. The formula is designed for simplicity. Just mist it on and wipe it off. It's residue-free and doesn't leave behind any greasy or shiny finish, restoring surfaces to their original appearance. What's more, it includes UV blockers to protect your interior from sun damage, preventing cracking and fading over time. This product is also safe for touchscreens and navigation systems, which is a rare feature in all-purpose cleaners. While it's the most expensive option on this list, its professional-grade results and convenience make it a top choice for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. The only downside is the price, but considering its superior performance and multi-surface compatibility, it's well worth the investment. If you want the best of the best for your car's interior, the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.